Alright, now that we set up the angle on the lathe, let's see how we can actually cut the taper. So, over here we have a piece set up with an already pre-drilled hole. It's about 1 inch. And we have a boring bar that's facing this direction. That's going on the inside. And you want to make sure it's just a tip over here, because if you have like more sticking out here, then it could rub against the side. And you got a glimpse of like what happened before. So, you get a boring bar set up, and basically when you have the drawing that you get, there is going to be a diameter that's specified where the taper ends, and that's basically the diameter that you want to go to on the DRO, and you want to go in little increments. So this pre-drilled hole is about 1 inch. So let's just say we dial in like 15 thou, and then we can go in here and see. Yeah, okay, so nothing is cutting there, so let's maybe go a little bit more, maybe 30. Let's go to just 50. 50.05. So that should cut something. So when you cut the taper, you're only gonna be using this, and you're not gonna touch that. So it's on the lathe, and go in. So I just barely scrape the side. Let's go out to 75 and cut using this. Alright, there we go. We're starting to see some chips there. And then let's go out to 1.1 and then cut. Alright, more chips. Beautiful. Back out to maybe 120. Alright. Cut using this. More chips. Let's just go to 150. And 180. So just going in like 30 thou increments. As you can see, I'm not touching the Z carriage at all, just moving the X and the cross slot. And so around 1.21, so let's go to 2.4. Go back out to 1.27. And then this will be our final cut. So on the drawing it says our taper ends at a final diameter of around 1.27. So we'll stop it there. And so we make sure you reach 1.27 on the DRO. And then come over here on the inside of your part. We got a nice interior 30-degree taper.